Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic reply setting in the new Microsoft Outlook. So let's get started. So now here we are on Outlook. And from here, you want to make sure that you're logged in first. And from here, what you want to do is look for the gear or setting icon on the top right of your screen. In my case, it is right here, and click on it. Once you click on it, you want to go for search and settings right here, and you want to type automatic. And then you can see the automatic replies option. And from here, you want to click on that. And this is where you would be able to set up your automatic reply settings. So you want to click here on turn on automatic replies. So in this way, you would be able to set up the options that you have right here. So you can check this box if you would want to send replies only during a time period. So for example, you want to start this automatic reply at this date right here. Then you can just choose a date. Let's say I'm gonna go for 23, and then I'm gonna go for the time, and you can choose a specific time right here. Let's go for 2:30, and then the end time right here. You can choose a date again, and you can choose the time again. And then once you're satisfied with that, you have these other options. You can block my calendar for this period. So as long as this automatic replies is running, then your calendar would be blocked if you check this box. And you can also automatically decline new invitations for events that occur during this period. You can also check this, or you could also decline and cancel my meetings during this period. So this option is up to you. And in my case, I'll just not tick these boxes right here. And now you can construct your email right here or your reply. So you can format this using these tools right here. So for example, I'm just gonna not set this to bold. Instead, I'm just gonna go for this one. I'm gonna change the color right here just for an example to green. And let's say that I would want to put everything right here in this font. So you can customize it like this. And you can also check this box if you would only like to send replies to contacts only. So that is basically it on the automatic reply setting in the new Microsoft Outlook. And this is basically how you can set it up. So now all that's left is to click on save once you're satisfied. So click on save. And then from here, you can now close the settings, and now the automatic reply is now on. So that is basically it on how you can set up automatic reply setting in the new Microsoft Outlook. Thank you for watching.